Seed oils have increasingly become a topic of debate in the health and wellness industry. While these oils are commonly used in households and restaurants due to their low cost and high smoke point, mounting scientific evidence suggests that they may pose significant health risks. This discussion is not merely anecdotal but deeply rooted in biochemistry, nutritional science, and epidemiological research. We will explore the reasons why avoiding seed oils is crucial, breaking down their effects on different age groups, and providing scientific validation for each claim. 1. The chemical composition of seed oils. Seed oils such as soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, and canola oil are high in polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFAs, particularly linoleic acid. 1. These oils undergo extensive processing, including refining, bleaching, and deodorization. 1. During this process they are exposed to high temperatures, which can lead to oxidation and the formation of harmful byproducts like aldehydes and lipid peroxides. 1. Unlike traditional fats such as butter, ghee, or coconut oil, which remain stable when heated, seed oils are highly susceptible to rancidity, even before consumption. 2. Inflammatory effects on the body. The human body requires a balanced ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids. 2. However, seed oils overwhelmingly tip the balance in favor of omega-6s, leading to chronic inflammation. 2. Studies have shown that a high intake of omega-6 fatty acids without sufficient omega-3s can contribute to conditions like arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and even neurodegenerative disorders. 2. The inflammatory properties of these oils have been linked to increased levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, and other biomarkers of systemic inflammation. 3. Metabolic dysfunction and obesity. Seed oils disrupt normal metabolic function by promoting insulin resistance. 3. Linoleic acid, a predominant component of seed oils, is readily stored in adipose tissue, altering mitochondrial function and reducing metabolic efficiency. 3. Research indicates that excess linoleic acid consumption interferes with the body's ability to utilize fat as a primary energy source. 3. This metabolic impairment leads to obesity, particularly visceral fat accumulation, which is strongly correlated with diabetes and cardiovascular disease. 4. Impact on heart health. Contrary to outdated claims that seed oils are heart healthy, new research suggests otherwise. 4. While they do lower LDL cholesterol, this reduction does not necessarily translate to reduced cardiovascular risk. 4. Instead, studies show that excessive PUFA intake can lead to oxidative stress, arterial inflammation, and endothelial dysfunction. 4. The oxidation of omega-6 fats results in the production of oxidized LDL, OX-LDL, a known contributor to atherosclerosis and heart disease. 5. Effects on different age groups, infants and children. The high PUFA content in seed oils disrupts normal developmental processes. Infants require essential fatty acids for brain development, but excessive linoleic acid can interfere with DHA incorporation into neural tissues, impairing cognitive growth and increasing the risk of ADHD. Adolescence. Seed oil consumption during adolescence may contribute to hormonal imbalances due to its impact on prostaglandin synthesis. This can lead to acne, mood disorders, and disrupted metabolic health. Adults. Over time, consistent consumption of seed oils contributes to chronic diseases, reduced energy levels, and poor skin health. Adults consuming high PUFA diets are more likely to experience joint pain, metabolic syndrome, and reduced cognitive function. Elderly individuals. In older adults, high linoleic acid intake has been linked to increased frailty, cognitive decline, and Alzheimer's disease. The oxidation of PUFAs in the brain has been implicated in neurodegenerative processes, leading to memory loss and reduced mental acuity. 6. Seed oils and gut health. The gut microbiome is essential for overall health, and seed oils have been found to disrupt microbial balance. 6. Excessive omega-6 fatty acids promote dysbiosis by feeding pathogenic bacteria and increasing intestinal permeability. 6. A leaky gut allows endotoxins to enter the bloodstream, triggering systemic inflammation and autoimmune conditions like Crohn's disease and rheumatoid arthritis. 7. Cancer risk and carcinogenicity. One of the most concerning aspects of seed oil consumption is its potential link to cancer. 7. Studies have shown that lipid peroxides and aldehydes generated from heated seed oils can damage DNA, leading to mutations and uncontrolled cell growth. 7. Omega-6 fatty acids also stimulate the production of prostaglandins that promote tumor growth, particularly in breast, prostate, and colon cancers. 8. Psychological and neurological effects. Brain function relies heavily on lipid composition. 8. When the diet is high in unstable PUFAs, neuronal membranes become more susceptible to oxidative damage. 8. Research indicates that diets rich in seed oils are associated with higher rates of depression, anxiety, and cognitive disorders. 8. The excessive consumption of linoleic acid impairs neurotransmitter function, contributing to mental health issues. 9. The issue with industrial processing. Unlike traditional fats, seed oils are industrially extracted using chemical solvents like hexane, which leaves behind toxic residues. 9. They are then deodorized, removing any natural taste and extending shelf life at the cost of nutritional integrity. 9. These processes degrade the oil's quality, introducing trans fats, which are well-known contributors to cardiovascular disease and diabetes. 10. Healthy alternatives to seed oils. Given the numerous health risks associated with seed oils, it is crucial to transition to healthier fats such as extra virgin olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, grass-fed butter and ghee, high in fat-soluble vitamins A, D, and K2, coconut oil, stable saturated fat that supports metabolic function, avocado oil, a heart-healthy monounsaturated fat alternative, tallow and lard, traditional animal fats that are heat-stable and nutritionally dense. Conclusion: the widespread use of seed oils in modern diets is a public health concern that should not be overlooked. Their high omega-6 content disrupts metabolic function, promotes chronic inflammation, and increases the risk of cardiovascular disease, obesity, neurodegeneration, and cancer. Different age groups experience unique yet equally harmful effects from these oils, making it imperative for individuals to reconsider their dietary choices. Transitioning to stable, natural fats can significantly improve health outcomes, enhance energy levels, and reduce disease risk. By choosing traditional, minimally processed fats over industrial seed oils, individuals can take control of their health and well-being in a way that is both scientifically sound and historically validated. The key to long-term vitality lies in returning to the dietary principles that have sustained human health for centuries.